think spring, I think about peas, I think about all the lettuces, I think about, you know, all the greens that are coming out of the ground.
I always get excited about sugar snap peas. I love peas. They're so sweet, and you can eat them raw or quickly sautéed. They're just, you know, one of those things that's like you gotta take it while you got it.
I've been making these incredible spring pea toasts. So I take peas and kind of make them into almost like a little bit of a hummus with lemon and olive oil, and then I spread that on toast. It's sort of like a pea version of avocado toast. On top of that, radishes and dill and a little feta cheese. That's my spring celebration food.
For me, I love fresh peas and asparagus. For me, it doesn't get any better than a fresh shaved asparagus and pea salad, a little Parmesan, lemon, and olive oil.